Hello everyone, welcome to a new video of That Fish Place. In this video, we are going to talk about hatching Artemia eggs. For this, you will need the following things. First, you have to take a small bottle, it can be a 500 ml or a 1 liter bottle, and cut through a little above halfway mark. After cutting through the line, now you have two parts. The top part you'll just insert inside the bottom. So now you're getting a full container. So now you're getting a full container with the stand. You'll give the water and the brine shrimp eggs here, and the base will just give support to the whole setup to stay like this. I have now filled this up around half. I may just add just a little bit of more water till maximum here. I won't add more because it will be connected to an air pump. If I add more, the water will come out of the surface while the bubbling starts. Okay, now it's time to mix salt. I'm going to mix rock salt, but you can also add normal table salt. Okay, you need to add around 10 grams here. Okay, and make sure it fully is dissolved. The water is well and truly dissolved. It's a bit murky because it being a rock salt, and the insoluble particles will be floating. So that's why your water is a bit murky, but that is okay. That is normal. Now it's time to add the Artemia eggs. We will be adding this. We are adding just a small quantity of eggs because I would just want to show you the process of hatching the eggs. Okay, you need to hatch the eggs according to what quantity you need, the number of fishes you have to feed, right? I'm gonna dip the eggs here and give it a quick stir. I've stirred the eggs into the solution of water and rock salt. You can add a bit of baking powder if you want. It increases the hatch rate. In case your pH is not quite suitable, you can add just a little bit of baking powder. And now all we need to do is the last step of connecting it to the air pump. Let's do it. Now we have started the air pump. You can see all the eggs are circulating vigorously inside the container. This is what will be needed for 24 to 36 hours. You need to keep this air pump on, and after that time you can see the Artemia will be hatched. For now, let us keep this apparatus running and we will check back after 24 hours. If the weather is a bit cool, you can even place a light like this on top of the hatchery in order to increase the hatch rates. It has been around 24 hours and you can see all the baby brine shrimps right there at the bottom. Brine shrimps are always attracted to light. When you give them a source of light, they'll always come to the surface for that light. This is the 26-hour update. You can see it is just full of brine shrimps, full of newly hatched brine shrimps. These are called baby brine shrimps, or abbreviated as BBS. You can see it is totally full. Once all the brine shrimp or Artemia are accumulated at the source of light, it becomes quite easy to culture them. Just take a small air tubing and siphon them out, and then you can feed to your newly hatched fish fry. You can see all the brine shrimps are there at the source of light. They are really attracted to light. and you can see some are there at the bottom, and they will eventually rise up at the source of the light. We at that fish place are currently stocking Artemia or brine shrimp eggs. Do get in touch with us if you're interested. Based in Kolkata, we at that fish place are wholesalers and retailers of fish food and accessories. You can contact us anytime for any of your aquarium requirements. Like our page That Fish Place on Facebook and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and stay tuned for more upcoming videos.